I started on the tumbler in the tumble plant, sorting paving stones.
I was a QC operator. I did that job for about a year.
When I started, to be honest, I was here to collect a paycheck, a bit of a party animal, you know, no real serious plans for my future.
I got tired of working at jobs and I wanted to work at a career. So Unilock was key in that for me.
When you hear the word factory, most people probably think of pushing the same blue button every day, but it's never the same here.
The automation and technology is so cutting edge. We need people that can interact with computers daily, consistently. To think of it just as a manual labor kind of job is a total wrong mindset.
If you're coming in off the street with a limited skill set, there's a great knowledge base here that can really push you to learn more and more, and there's great support for new employees.
Training in the plant is side by side. You're shadowing workers, learning the equipment, and then we also have comprehensive training manuals that we go through.
Safety is just the highest priority here. The company goes out of its way to ensure employee safety.
Walking into a line, I know the light curtains are there. I feel safe when I work here.
My supervisor is one of the main reasons I work here. He's a great motivator, he's a great people person. He's really pushed me to become a more professional employee here at Unilock.
And that's kind of the upside to Unilock, is there's an opportunity around every corner to do something different. There's an opportunity to grow.
I didn't really want to work at a factory. You have this kind of image of a factory and manufacturing places, like these dark, kind of scary places, but they're not at all.
If you take a look around this plant, it's a fast pace, everything's automated and high tech, and the people who work here are interested in making the best product that they can.
The benefits are probably the best I've ever had here, and I've worked for quite a few companies. And the pension plan is also unbelievable. Management and the upper management really take care of their employees' futures. So they're looking out for you down the road, and I really admire that.
There's a lot of people here with character and heart that care about what they do, and I think that's important, and it rubs off on you.
It really does have like a family feel here where, you know, if you're the motivated kind of guy who's willing to get his hands dirty and work and be part of that kind of culture that we have here, you really get ahead.